Welcome dear student in SWAYAM portal. The course name is Determinant of Quality Life. Today we will discuss critical thinking under the topic Miscellaneous Determinants of Quality of Life. Content of these modules are: what is critical thinking, importance of critical thinking determinant of quality life, benefit of critical thinking, developing critical thinking skills, barrier of critical thinking, how critical thinking directly impact quality of life by questioning, analyzing and evaluating. Learning objectives. At the end of this module, a student will be able to define critical thinking and identify its core characteristics, explain the role and significance of critical thinking in everyday decision making and problem solving. A student will be able to analyze how to application of critical thinking influences the quality of personal and professional life. A student will be able to describe the personal, academic and professional benefits of developing strong critical thinking skills. A student will be able to practice strategies to enhance critical thinking such as reflective thinking, questioning, assumptions and logical reasoning. A student will be able to identify and analyze common barriers to critical thinking, success, bias, emotional reasoning and misinformation. A student will be able to assess the impact of critical thinking on life choices, well-being and problem-solving capacity. A student will be able to develop and use effective questioning technique to explore problem and idea critically. The student will be able to break down argument and information into components to examine validity, logic and evidences. The student will be able to judge and the credibility of sources, strength of arguments and quality of conclusions using critical criteria. Critical thinking as a determinant of quality life. Critical thinking is a crucial cognitive skills that plays a fundamental role in shaping the quality of an individual's life. It involves the ability to analyze information objectively, evaluate different perspectives, and make reasoned decisions. What is a quality life? Quality of life refers to the general well-being of individuals and societies, outlining both material and non-material aspects of life. Critical thinking is the ability to think clearly and rationally. It involves analyzing facts to form a judgment. It is essential for effective problem solving and decision making. Critical thinking involves analyzing, evaluating, and synthesizing information. Critical thinking goes beyond memorization or recall. Critical thinking promotes independent and reflective thinking, help in problem solving and decision making. Critical thinking crucial for academic success and real world application. These fosters open-mindedness and creativity. It enhances the ability to access and evaluate information. It is essential in the age of media openness and knowledge explosion. It encourages judgment based on reasoning. Examples of critical thinking are evaluating the credibility of sources, comparing arguments from multiple perspectives, solving a case study using logical reasoning, asking probing questions in discussion. Benefit of critical thinking in education are promotes independent thinking and reduce dependency, leads to deeper understanding of content, fosters problem solving and solution oriented mindset. Benefit of critical thinking are enhance problem solving, promote better decision making, build academic and professional competence, foster open-mindedness and intellectual humility, protect against misinformation. Example, a manager uses critical thinking to assess conflicting reports before making a strategic business decision. Developing critical thinking skill. by ask open-ended questions and to engage in active learning and debates and practice reflective journaling and analyze case study or real life situation. Barriers of critical thinking are bias and stereotypes, lack of relevant knowledge, emotional reasoning, and over reliance on authority. How critical thinking directly impact quality of life? By improved decision making. People who think critically are better equipped to make sound decisions, whether it's related to health, finance, relationship, or career. Thoughtful decision making leads to better outcome and fewer regret. By problem solving skill. Critical thinking enhances one's ability to solve problems effectively and creatively. It is essential in everyday life where challenges are inevitable. Effective problem solving reduces stress and increases satisfaction. By emotional regulation. By evaluating situation logically rather than reacting emotionally, individuals with strong critical thinking skills manage conflict better and maintain healthier interpersonal relationships. Personal empowerment. Critical thinkers are less susceptible to manipulation, misinformation, and cognitive biases. This autonomy leads to a more self-directed, purposeful life, enhancing one's sense of control and fulfillment. By lifelong learning and adaptability. In a rapidly changing world, those who can think critically are more adaptable. They are open to new ideas, learn from experiences, and continuously improve, all of which contribute to sustained personal growth and well-being. By civic engagement, critical thinking often engages more deeply with societal issues, making informed decisions as voters, consumers, and community members. This participation promotes not only personal satisfaction but also a better society. Core components of critical thinking are questioning, analyzing, evaluating. What is questioning? Questioning is the process of seeking information, clarification, or deeper understanding through inquiry. It involves asking purposeful and structured questions to explore ideas and uncover meaning. Importance of questioning in critical thinking that clarifies concepts and ideas, uncover hidden assumptions, encourages deep analysis, promote open-mindedness, aid in sound decision making. Questioning is central to critical thinking. Encourage inquiry, reflection, and deeper understanding lead to more reasoned and informed decisions. Types of critical thinking questioning. First is clarification question. What do you mean by that? Can you give an example? Second is assumption questions. Examples are, what are you assuming here? Why do you think that's true? Third is evidence questions. That example is, what evidence support these ideas? How reliable is it? Fourth is implication question. What are the consequences if this is true? And how does this affect others? Fifth is perspective question. What is the another way to look at this? And how would someone with a different background view it? Sixth is Socratic question. A disciplined method of dialogue use open-ended question, challenges assumptions and deepens understanding. Encourage thoughtful responses is the quality of Socratic questioning. What is analyzing? Analyzing is the process of breaking down information into parts of understand it better, identify pattern and evaluate relationship. Involves examining ideas, argument, evidence and assumptions. Analyzing in critical thinking. Why is analyzing important in critical thinking? Help identify main ideas and supportive details. Enable evaluation of arguments and sources. Assist in recognizing logical connections. Exposes inconsistencies, contradictions, or biases. Form a basis for drawing reasoned conclusions. The steps involved in analyzing. First, identify the components. Break down the topic or argument. Examine relationships, how parts relate to each other. Assess credibility. Evaluate source reliability. Recognize pattern. Detect trend or inconsistent, and draw interpretation that make informed judgment. Break down complex information in component. Identify argument, claims, and evidence. Distinguish fact from opinion, recognizing logical fallacies, and assess source credibility. Example, while reading in new articles, you identify the author's claim, evaluate the supporting evidence, and check if it cited reliable resources. What is evaluating? Evaluating is the process of assessing the credibility, relevance, and strength of information, argument, or sources in order to make reasoned judgment. It involves judging the quality, value, and truth of the statement or argument. Evaluating in critical thinking. Why is evaluation important in critical thinking? Test the validity of claims and conclusions. Help in weighing evidences and reasoning. Detect bias, fallacies, or weak arguments. Promote sound decision making. Encourages objective judgment rather than assumptions or emotions. That is, evaluate is a crucial step in critical thinking process. It ensures the decision and belief are based on sound reasoning and reliable evidences. By evaluating effectively, individual can avoid manipulation, identify flaws, and make informed choices. It leads to more accurate judgment, enhancing both academic work and real-life decision making. Aspect of consider while evaluating are accuracy. Is the information correct? Credibility. Is the source trustworthy? Relevance. Is it related to the issues? Logic. Is the reasoning sound and consistent? Evidence. Is there enough quality evidence? Example of these are, when reviewing a research paper, you assess whether the data accurately support the conclusion and whether the study avoid biased interpretation. Benefit of critical thinking are enhance problem solving, promote better decision making, build academic and professional competence, fosters open-mindedness and intellectual humility, protect against misinformation. Example, a manager uses critical thinking to assess conflicting report before making a strategic business decision. Critical thinking enriches every dimension of life, from daily choices to long-term goals, making it a cornerstone of a high-quality life. Cultivating this skill can lead to greater clarity, confidence, and contentment. Take-home message of these modules are: understand that it involves logic, reasoning, and objectivity. Distinguish it from passive thinking and emotional reaction. Apply critical thinking to solve problems creatively and rationally. Use it to make informed personal and professional decisions. Recognize how decisions made through clear thinking impact well-being. Use critical reflection to continuously improve life satisfactions. Practice it regularly in conversation, studies, and workplace scenario. Value it as a lifelong skill that enhance credibility and confidence. Engage in activities that challenge assumption, example, debate and case studies. Reflect on decision and consider alternative perspective. Watch out the cognitive biases, emotions, peer pressure and lack of knowledge. Create an environment that encourages open-minded discussion. Apply critical thinking in health, finance, relationship and career planning. Use it to assess risk and make informed, thoughtful decisions. Ask why, what, if and how to deepen understanding. Avoid accepting information at face value. Break down complex information into parts before forming judgment. Identify pattern, assumptions and logic in argument. Judge the credibility of sources and the strength of argument. Compare multiple perspectives before making a conclusion. Take-home message are the critical thinking is the disciplined process of actively analyzing, synthesizing and evaluating information to guide decision making. Critical thinking is essential in navigating complexity, making rational choices and avoiding manipulation or bias. A high quality of life is often the result of thoughtful, well-reasoned decision enabled by strong critical thinking. Critical thinking boosts problem solving, independence and effective communication, making individuals more competent and empowered. Like any skills, critical thinking improves with consistent practices and a willingness to challenge your own thoughts. Recognizing and addressing barriers is the first step toward becoming a better critical thinkers. When applied daily, critical thinking leads to smarter choice and a more balanced, fulfilling life. Effective questioning is the gateway to deeper thinking and better understanding. Analysis helps uncover truth and separate fact from the opinion. Evaluation sharpens decision making by ensuring conclusions are based on sound reasoning and evidence. Critical thinking is a vital life skill. Mastering questioning, analysis and evaluation help make informed decisions. Encourage thoughtful, not impulsive responses. Critical thinking is a core educational goal. Prepare learner for the challenges of the information age. Encourage active, responsible and reflective learning. Critical thinking is essential for lifelong learning. It empowers individuals to make informed decisions. It encourages through consistent practice and open dialogue. Thank you.